So I thought this would make an interesting video on a trick I recently learned, and it's basically how to get the metal standoffs out of aluminum or stainless or really anything. This is destructive, but from a scrap standpoint, this is helpful because like this piece right here as it sits with those pieces of steel in it, or even if they were stainless, this is aluminum breakage, and I get a lot less than if they weren't in there. Now, if you have a table with holes in it that you can line up, you can take a hammer to that and just give it a good whack in the right direction. And basically the right direction is whichever way it went in. You can't tell where it went in because they painted over on that one. On this one you can tell which way is the outside because you can see the little hexagonal shape around there. So you want to go from top, and if you hit it with a hammer, you can push it out basically like this. But the alternative is you take a strong piece of metal, like this center punch, and you basically bend it around until it pushes through. It's a little bit easier on these. Obviously, this isn't a moneymaker thing. This is just if you're bored and your time's not worth anything, or if you need money like me right now. Yeah, just kind of bend it out. And now instead of getting probably like 14 cents a pound for this, I'm gonna get 40. Like I said, it's not worth it from a time standpoint, but if you want to clean up your scrap and get a little extra money, that seems to work pretty well. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.